how to unlink Facebook from Instagram. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to unlink your Facebook account from Instagram? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Instagram on your device. You will land on its official homepage. Tap on the circle with a profile picture at the bottom. Then tap on the hamburger icon at the top. Tap on Account Center. Scroll down to the end. Then tap on Accounts. As you can see, I have two accounts linked. One is Facebook and the other one is Instagram. With the recent update, Instagram replaced remove word with move out, so don't get confused. Since we want to remove Facebook from our Instagram account, so tap on the move out button next to your Facebook account. Then select continue to move. Make sure to read the information displayed here. Then tap continue. Make sure to review the final confirmation details. Then finally, tap on yes finish moving button. And boom! You have successfully unlinked your Facebook account from Instagram. As you can see, only my Instagram account is currently displaying in this account center, which confirms that we have successfully unlinked Facebook from our Instagram account. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.